Hello everyone, this is Tina from INZX Ferroalloys. Welcome to my living. Today, let us introduce our silicon metals samples. Okay, at first, please check our manufacturing. Let's introduce our manufacturing, and this is our samples, ferrochrome and natural ferrochrome. Uh, This is a SGS inspection, the third-party inspection, SGS inspection. And according to the customer's requirement, we will arrangement the third-party inspections. This step is we need broken the temples to pick up the sample. Yeah, we need to pick up the sample to about 1 ton to pick up one kilograms samples. Yeah, about our 5 samples, we need 5 kilograms samples to send to SGS laboratory. Okay, this step we need. We also need the product weight. Okay, please check our manufacturing and then let us introduce our other product. Also, we are natural ferrochrome manufacturing, but about other ferroalloys we also treat. About other ferroalloys we are treated, but we have other manufacturing have good corporations because we are looking in the ferroalloys in industry park. So many ferroalloy manufacturers have a good cooperation long times. Like we are natural ferrochrome manufacturing, but the ferrochrome is our raw materials. So according to the ferrochrome, we will have a long time collaborations with the ferrochrome manufacturing, and this manufacturing maybe in内蒙, Qinghai. And about the ferrosilicon, silicon manganese, metal silicon, others the manufacturing, we are located in the ferroalloys industries park. So we will have a domestic trade in the market. So about others manufacturer will purchase our natural ferrochrome or the ferrochrome, and we also purchase the other manufacturer the product like the ferrosilicon, ferromanganese, silicon manganese, and many the manufacturer of the ferrosilicon or metal silicon in Anyang. Yeah, and last step, let us check our the some check our some silicon metal samples. Okay. But this time our samples is little size. The size is 1 to 3 millimeters. Like this size is 10 to 16 millimeters. And generally the customer requirement is this the ferrosilicon lab. This lab times. Okay. Let us check the samples. The sample size is 1 to 3 millimeters. Okay, and this sample is silicon metals 441. About the silicon metals, have many types like silicon metals 553, 441, 1101. Okay, according the different the requirement, we will supply the different types of ferroalloys. Okay, according to we will when we finish the project, we will the test in our factory laboratory lab. If when our the contact is in the past the factory the lab, we will deliver it. We will deliver it to Chinese port. But if the test is unpassed, we will production it again until the production is meet the test requirement. So we will deliver it to the China port. Okay, and the silicon metals applications. Do you know what is the silicon metals and what industries is using the silicon metals? Hello Fiona, hello Ida, welcome to Anyang ZX Ferroalloy's living room. And if you have any questions, please tell us. We will give you our professionals the suggestions. Okay, then let us introduce our silicon metals continues. Silicon metals is high performance silicons, also known as industry silicons or cycle cells silicons. Although silicon metals is no metal, it has metallins interstellar on the outside. It has a high metalling point, good heat resistance, high electric resistance, and other high oxidation resistance. It is mainly used as an activity for non-ferroalloys, and it's an indispensable base raw materials for many high-tech industries. Different grades of silicon metals, such as the silicon metals of 553, 441, 1101, 2202, and 3302. Okay, do you know what is the applications of silicon metals? Let us introduce our silicon metals applications. Let us introduce the seven kind of the applications. The first is the industry silicon metals powder is often used in the metallurgic casting industry as non-ferroalloy active and silicon steel alloying agent, which can increase the hardness of the steel. Industrial silicon metals powder can also be used as a reducing agent for the certain metals, such as the new milk alloys. The second is in the refractory and powder metallurgic industries. Silicon metals is often used in the steelmaking, furnace, cooling, and cunifortance to improve the high temperature resistance, wear resistance, and oxidation resistance of product. The single-side silicon product by purification of industry silicon can be used in high-test production fields such as integrated circuits and electric companies. The fourth application is the high purity silicon metals is used in many industry fields. It is used to produce silicon compound cells for photovoltaic solar energies and silicon watt cells for electric semiconductors. The sixth is high-quality silicon metals can also be used to improve the properties of existing element. These prepared include casting ability, hardness, and strength, adding silicon metals to anonymous alloy can make the alloys strong and light. And the silicon metals increased use to the automotive industries. For example, as an alternative to replace higher casting aero parts to reduce the weight of the car body. Among them, automatic billet energy blocks, tired, and wheel hubs are common parts that use casting aluminum and silicon metals. Okay, according to our silicon metals, we will according to the silicon contact and the fair contact allium content and calcium content. We will come to the ferrosilicon, allium, calcium different the size to according to the silicon metals the name. Like the silicon metals, the 101, the ferro is 0.1% maximum. Allium, sorry, aluminium is 0.1% millimeter, 0.1% maximum, and calcium is 0.01% maximum. And generally, we will generate the silicon metals is 441 and 553. About the 441, the fair contact is 0.4 percent maximal, and the aluminium is 0.4% maximal. The calcium is 0.1% maximal. The silicon metals 553 is the silicon content is 98.70%. The fair contact is 0.5%. The alum is 0.5%. The calcium is 0.3%. Okay, about the first silicon metals, do you have any questions? Please tell us. Then the second step, we will introduce our silicon. We will introduce our silicon metals, the production process. Do you know what is the silicon metals production process? Or have you purchased the silicon metals from China? And the original is China. What about the original of China's silicon metals? Oh, the working is tired. Because today is the Monday. The energy is far off. Okay, let us check the inspections weight, the sample weight. So that's why we suggest the third-party inspections in our factory, because in our factory we have the workers to have the SGS people to like the broken the bags and pick up the goods into the bags. If our inspections in the port, we not have the worker to help us, and we need we need to find the other people to help us, and need to speed the some cost. Yeah, and they will add our some cost. Okay, let us the second step, the production process of silicon metals. Silicon metals is generally production by the carbonate method. The raw material, the silicon dioxide and the reduced agent charcoals, particle coke, are sent into the high temperature electric furnaces for smelting, and the silicon dioxide and various reduced agents undergo the reduction reaction under high temperature heat to obtain silicon metals. The materials is the silicon. Reduced agent is the charcoal, petroleum coke, wooden chip, low ash coke. Yeah, it. Metal equipment is high temperature electric furnaces. The pure of the silicon metals products by car both nano reduced about 97% to 98% and contains more impurities. Silicon metals of these properties is mostly used in the metallurgical industries. By using the latest refueling technology, they can produce the higher grade of high pressure silicon metals production with the pure of the 99.7% to 99.8% to meet the needs of the high-tech industries. Okay, then do you learn about our silicon metals production process? And if you have any questions, please tell us. We will give you the professionals the suggestions. And according to our price, our size, our service, our deliveries, we will give you the best answer. Okay, let us give you the three suggestions to choose the ZX silicon metals. Why choose silicon metals products ZX? The suggestion 1. ZX is a silicon metals producer with a mature experience in the silicon metals industries. We have the register to import and export independently, and its silicon metals products are exported to Japan, South Korea, India, and the Middle East and other countries and regions. Our company's industrial silicon products have passed ISO 9001 to 2015 Quality System Certification, SGS International Certification, standards mechanism system, and systematic quality control system to create many high-quality silicon metals production. The suggestions 2. We have the silicon metals price advantage. We are located in China, the world's major silicon production country, and has a unique advantage in resource integration, coupled with the advantage of the region's powder resource and low raw materials cost. The silicon metals price producer by ZX is more competitive. The suggest 3. ZX has a complete range of the metal silicon products and support customization. ZX can produce different grades of industrial silicon. At the same time, there's also different catalog and different partition size of silicon metals powder, and supports the customization of the silicon metals blocks, silicon metals party size, and silicon metals powders product according to the customer requirement. Yeah, we will according to the customers the requirement to block the different the size. About the the powder or the smell size. And we will according to the free samples. So if you need the silicon metals, please tell us. And if you need the sample to inspections, please tell us. We will supply the 3 kilograms. The samples is free, but the express by your side. Okay, then let us introduce our manufacturing. Okay, let introduce our the third parties inspections in our factory. And about our the first silicon, if you have any questions, please tell us. And about the first silicon, if you have requirement, please tell us. Wow. Just I check our the first silicon price. This price is very advantage in these times. Okay, then let us introduce our the third-party inspections. This step is the SGS the person to steal the samples. Yes, our samples need the SGS worker to steal it. To lead sales tester. Yeah, tester. We need tester to lead sales the samples, then to send the to send the carrier to express. Yes, SGS the inspector to check photos the still land sales the number, and this is our natural vacuum the finances, and we need the water to reduce the temperatures, and we need to the vacuum into these finances and to addition the carbon and reduce the 增氮 nature add the nitrate and reduce the carbon. Yes, and this is our low carbon ferrochromes. And natured ferrochrome, the size is 10 to 16 millimeters. Yes, because our natured ferrochrome is the lamp. We will broken the different size according to the requirement, and this is our natured ferrochromes. Natured ferrochrome, the chrome is 70% millimeters, and the carbon is nature is 7 to 9 percent. But the carbon is the 0.001. Yes, because our factory production the natural ferrochrome, the carbon content is very low. So our the quality is the high quality. So our the natural ferrochrome and our low carbon ferrochrome have many the customers corporations a long time. Because our not how many times. Yes, we have many times collaborations. Because the customer receives the goods, have the good qualities and the good deliveries and the good price for choose us again to again. Yes, although we don't have face-to-face to contact our productions, but we will according to our factory lab test report to show our the customers and according when we collaborations and when we make the PI or the make the contract and our cooperation the one step we will show our the lessons to the customers. If the customers want to know the productions, we will take the photo or take the video to the customers to attend the our our productions. When we the delivery before delivery, we will take the photo or take the video to customers to take the productions, finish the productions, production package or the production store. And when we pass the factory lab, we will send the customers to talk about this contact. If the contact is okay, we will deliver it to Tianjin part or China other part. Uh, oh, our city is the rain, heavy rain. Okay, do you know which one is me? Do you know what stamp in this? Do you know what is in the stamp? According to the According to the start inspections, the requirement we will according to the fix the tools to pick up the samples. Then pick up the samples we will need to the up, middle, and the and the and the bottom and the bottom to pick up some more samples. And according to the total times to decide to pick up what kilograms the samples. This step is pick out the some samples to 称重怎么说？to weighting, yes. Please check this is a new pack of to pick up the samples. The inspectors to pick up the some samples. One ton pick up about 2 kilograms. One ton to pick up the 2 kilograms the samples. Yes, we need to send the sample to SDS labs. The outside is a heavy rains. Have the 3 minute review after work. But the rain is very heavy. Maybe go home in the rains. That is a new experience. Yeah. Have you experienced to go home in the rains or the go to other place in the rains? If you like rains, you will feeling this this is okay, this is better. But if you don't like the rain, you will think the feel is terrible. Okay, may I know have you introduced from China before, or have you visited the China before? Please check this out the financing. This financing is to protect the natural vacuums. The water is the reduce the temperatures, and this application is addition nature and reduce the carbons. Okay, we need to take photos the production. We need to take photos and videos for our customers to join us our the third party inspections. Yeah. We will take a photo and take videos for our customers to join the inspections. We plan eat hot pot with my friend, but the weather is the rains. Maybe our the meeting our dating is cancel because the rain weather. Okay, let us introduce our other symbols again. So about our qualities, please don't worry. We will inspections our factory lab, and we will also accept the third parties inspections. So please check this one samples. Do you know what is the what product, and do you know what size? Yes, and these samples is silicon calcium. And please check this one samples. Do you know what is the samples? The samples weight is very the uh 轻轻 very the light, very light. This is the ferrosilicon sample. Okay, let us check the next one samples. Do you know what is the samples? What product samples? This sample is the ferrochrome. The weight is heavy. So the ferrochrome's weight is heavy, and the ferrosilicon weight is soft or light. Okay, let us check our silicon metals samples again. This we operate for our customers. The size the size is 1 to 3 millimeters. Can you look it? Eh? This is okay. Yeah, like this. About the silicon metals have exported the Indian, South Indians, and Pakistan and Japanese and South Korea and other companies. Uh, we have the many years the export experience. So if you have any questions, please tell us. We will give you the professionals the suggestions. Okay, let us introduce our silicon metals. The silicon metals we are an extemporaneous leaders in the research and development, productions and sales of the silicon metals powders, industrial silicon powders, and deep processed producers of silicon metals. As one of the experienced silicon metals producers, our main product including silicon metals is have the 1101, 2202, 2502, 303, 411, 441, 551. Industrial silicon powders party size is 100, 200, 325 meshes. As about the production process of the silicon metals. Silicon metals is a general product by the carbon-thermical method. The raw material, the silicon dioxide, and the reduced agent charcoal, petrolose coke, are sent into a high temperature electric furnace for smelting, and the silicon dioxide and materials reducing agent undergo a chill. Please hold on. Okay, I'm back. Because the weather, the reason. Bye bye. If you have any questions, please tell us.